Bros, relax now. Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? You know what time it is. This is 7 o'clock. Mind your business. So, guys, I'm out here with Spanner and Too Much Entertainment, CEO of Too Much Entertainment Boutique. So, guys, we are at Agor Palace right now. So, we want to know who will win this challenge. Too Much saying go win Spanner. Spanner saying go win Too Much. So, as today now, for the Ogbenge news, we will carry come now. We want to know who will win this match. So, guys, at the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, start. Hey, again na afio. Again na afio. Again na afio. Again na afio. Hey, Jesus. Osalo boy. I don't where they carry this animal come from. Who carry this animal come here? I'm not with this shit, bro. I never seen it. Go down. Spanner. Bros, I just say go chop, you go behave like imbecile. You don't agree. You dey follow Spanner. Somebody will go do swallow food community. My belly don't bust. I laugh my laugh.
Ladies and gentlemen, you already know your winner is Spanner. Too much no get. You know much for this one. Alright. We are live at Too Much Enterprises. Come on. Everywhere good. Come on. Come and buy your swag.
I don't leave that.
Too much.
Too much.
Too much money.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't get more. Spanner is singing it.